What's up, fuckers? Alright, I just got home from work. I saw a setup that I'm going to take. So I'm gonna do a little recap and forward test thing to prove that I'm the GOAT when this plays out in the future. So ignore this shit. Basically, like I said, in the very, very early videos, you read price from left to right as it goes. It's a timeline, so it'll keep hitting things and then rejecting, hitting things, rejecting, respecting, whatever, right? So we can go. Alright, so if we clear all this bullshit up on a daily, we do the open, high, low, close, or open, low, high, close to find daily bias. And this is today, this is yesterday, or well, this was basically today, but 18th, 19th, still 18th, but new session. So this closed bullish, took these highs. So today's draw will be yesterday's high. PDH. I have a lot of shit on my chart because I was teaching. Oh shit. Alright, I don't think I need that. Alright, so for now, first thing, daily, our bias for tomorrow is longs. We want previous day highs. It's going down to 4 hour. We see that in 2 videos prior, or yesterday, the one I made, or 2 days ago, we see that on QQQ we tapped the weekly open gap, and from that point on I said I wanted to see this go up, which we did. I basically bottom ticked. I call it the bottom tick, and we started heading up. So going back to NQ, that was this point right here, and that was also a -2 that I hit, and we respected the bullish trend, went up. We broke structure right here, broke downward structure, and this candle came down. We formed a CISD right here, right? And we tapped it and we rejected and continue upwards. So that is another confirmation for bullish. So going to the 1 hour again, left to right. We created these where we respected whatever on the 4 hour, and then we came down here, tapped the 4 hour thing, and then here we made another CISD, right? Just keeps on going. Perfect. CE, tap right there, reject, go back up. And from this high right here, this is now our most recent swing high, right? Swing high and swing low. Or, well, swing high and swing low, but currently this was going down and then we started heading back up. So on the 5 minute there's a standard deviation right here from this high. So if we mark this, we came down and tapped the -2.5, which I didn't look at this. So this had -2.5 and also the 0.62 and the 0.75 range. It perfectly tapped 0.75. So that gives me confirmation, or pretty good short-term bias for bullish momentum. And so from this point on, since this is a rejection point off of a major PD array, I will mark another standard deviation here from the low to high, the leg that the last manipulation, or the last leg down before we start heading up, right? So we mark this. We see that -1 got respected right here, went back down. -1s and 1.5s have been showing a lot lately. But anyways, -2, that's my POI. So -2. On the 5 minute, we also have a fair value gap, right? So let's count confluences. First confluence, -2. That's the 1. 2 is 5 minute fair value gap. 3, perfect 15-minute fair value gap. Right on the dot. And these smaller fair value gaps on higher time frames, these are deadly. These shits are. Oh. So that's what, 3 confluences? -2, the 5-minute fair value gap, and the 15-minute fair value gap. That's 3. And then our most recent swing high and low, right? Because from this is our new anchor point, this is our new low. So since we want to go back down, draw like that, and 705 aligns pretty well with the gap and -2. So basically, I'm going to short this. I'm calling it right now. I will take this. It'll probably play out in the next 2 or 3 hours, hopefully, before I go to sleep. If it doesn't tap before I go to sleep, I'm going to cry. So, because I really hate leaving trades out overnight because I get anxious and I can't really sleep well. But either way, this standard deviation is only valid if we do not break through the anchor point. So unless we come down here and then break past this point where I anchored, that's why I have this this thing here which notifies me when price hits this part. So unless price comes down and mitigates this original part where I anchored, I'm gonna leave the limits. I'm gonna set them right now. Well, I'm not gonna set it right now because I'll show my account numbers, but yeah. I'm gonna enter the start of this fair value gap. So, am I listening to whale sounds? I didn't even look at higher time frame. This is really A+ setup. If you see this before this plays out, you should take this shit. I'm telling you right now, this is a signal 1.5. We have fair value gap CE perfect, basically BPR as well. BPR right there, still aligns really well. Is this the inverse? If this is the CE, I'm taking this on a live account, bro. Not quite. But anyways, yeah. Really good. I'm like 90% sure this will play out, which is a pretty high probability in trading. So yeah, bye-bye. If this plays out, after I come back home tonight, I'm going out, or like tomorrow morning, I don't know if I'll make a whole video on it because I literally just already explained everything. There's nothing else to explain, but I don't know. I'll do something. But bye. Or actually,